Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sarah. I'm a personal trainer and yoga instructor based in South East London. As the title says, this is all for abs. So this is a mix of fitness and yoga intertwined, as you could say. So let's get straight to it. We're going to start with laying on our backs. And apologies in advance if you can't see my whole area, but hey, just got to work with it. So we just want to start with pulling the pelvis in. So if you really exaggerate your back, so you've got a gap underneath, and then we want to push that down, so automatically you pull the belly button in. If you feel your stomach muscles, you'll feel that they're engaged. We're going to put our arms slightly underneath the hips, slightly underneath the bottom. On a nice deep exhale, we're going to bring both knees into the chest. And we're going to hold them there. So just notice that your back now is extra flat to the floor, which is perfect. Very slowly on the out breath, we're going to take the legs up. And exhale, one leg down. Inhale, exhale, reach up. Inhale, back down. Change legs over. Good. And exhale to reach. And down. So legs changing and reaching, back down. Legs change, reaching, back down. We're going to do two more. This time try go as high as possible. And down. Last one. And down. Good. Both legs up to the ceiling. We're going to bring the knees back into the chest. Take the arms out into a T shape, so both arms are in line with the shoulders, palms down. Going to take the knees slightly forward. You want to feel the lower part of your stomach contracting. Nice deep inhale. And you're going to exhale, knees over, but we're not going to touch the floor. Inhale, exhale, then back over to the other side. And keep that going. Ooh, I thought something was just about to drop on me. Keep it up. We're going to do 5 more to each side. So that's our 5. Remember, nice deep breaths. 4. This is really good for stretching out the spine as well. 3. 2. 1 more to each side. And 1. Good. Back to the center. Again, on a nice out breath, we're going to slowly take the toes up to the ceiling. And hold them there. Make sure your toes are pointed, legs are nice and straight and engaged. Let me turn slightly so you can see. Now you can take your arms behind you normally. You can interlock your fingers, hopefully you can see that. Or if that's uncomfortable, just bring your arms in line with your shoulders here. So I'm going to interlock my fingers. I'll show you both the versions. We're going to repeat this 5 times. So nice deep inhale and exhale up and down. And down. 3 more, so if your arms are out here, you'll be coming here, trying to keep the arms in line with the ears. And if that was too uncomfortable and you're here, you're still going to come up. Let's do 2 more, just because we can. And 2. Good. Going to take the arms back to the sides, just underneath the hips again. Slowly lower both of the legs. Perfect. Just take a little break there, especially for some of you if that was a bit too much on your spine. Just give it a little roll. And again, we're going to bring the knees in, so keeping the hands just beside the sides. Inhaling. Exhale those knees up into the chest. Nice deep inhale again. And exhale, feet up to the ceilings. This time we're going to flex the feet down. So instead of them being pointed, we're going to flex them. Okay? The aim is to keep the arms in line with the shoulders, and you want to reach up and touch the toes, okay? So nice deep inhale and exhale up. We're going to go for 10. Nice deep breaths. 8, 7, really squeeze in at the abs. 6, 5, 4, keeping those legs nice and straight. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now we're going to keep the arms up there, drop the feet down, and hold. So all of your abdominal muscles are engaged right now, and with the feet down as well, it's helping to work the lower part of your stomach just a little bit more. Going to inhale, exhale, head down, keeping the feet where they are, bringing the arms back to the sides. Nice deep inhale again, and you're going to exhale the heels down to the floor. And in. Really focusing on keeping that lower back into the mat, really melting the entire spine down into the ground. Good, we're going to go for 4 more here. 4, nice deep breaths. 3, 2, and 1. We're going to bring those knees into the chest again. Give those knees a nice big hug. If you want to, you can rock from side to side. And we've got 1 more that we're going to be doing. Okay, so we're going to release the hands from the legs now. Again, taking the hands back to the sides, just underneath the hips, the sides of the bottom. We're going to be stretching the legs up again. Now, if you want, you can do these with a bent leg. So I'm going to show half of them with straight legs and half with bent legs. Okay, so let me slightly turn. So with the straight leg, we want to think about pushing the hips up and calming back down, okay? If you really want to push it, you can bring the legs a little bit further down before you push back up again. Okay, so let's begin. This is our first 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 5 more with bent legs. Same action, pushing up from those hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Slowly bring those feet down and just stretch the legs out. Now, if you've really felt that in your abs, a really nice way to just be kind to yourself is just gently stroke down on the abs. Or if you know that you can do that all over again, pause, rewind, and go straight back to the beginning. Okay? So it's very nice if you can go into a meditation here, just in the corpse pose as usual, palms up to the ceiling, eyes closed, just relax and really help to clear your mind. So thank you again for joining me on my channel, and I'll be back again soon with more videos. If there's anything that you'd like to request, please feel free to send me a message, leave a comment below, message me on Instagram or Facebook. I don't have Twitter yet, but we'll get there eventually. So yeah, as always, really thankful for you taking the time to watch me, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.